Today we have a video from Primary Officer, and the title of the video is entitled Shoplifters Act Make Cops Doubter.
A Dollar General shoplifting call got awkward when a woman said she was going to pay, but officers found hair products hidden in a borrowed purse with security tags removed.
I need to know what's in your purse.
I know she ain't got nothing. That's nothing. Yeah.
What's up?
I'm gonna pay for it.
You're putting the items in your purse. It's your personal purse.
It's not
It
my
doesn't
purse.
sound like, okay, well, it doesn't look like you're gonna pay for it if you're tucking it away in a purse that you can't see.
No, I am gonna pay for it. We got the stuff right there. I have it in there. But her stuff is separate.
So why are we putting items in our purse though? They have stuff like carts to put items in. You guys already have a cart.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna pay for it. I got my card. Yeah. It's right here. It's right here. I'm paying for it. Everything. Yeah, I'm gonna pay for it. Yes, sir. I just don't want to put my stuff separate.
I just talked to the manager, so it sounds like you were concealing some stuff in your purse. If you're all right, could we just go through to make sure that there's nothing in the store? She's willing to give you an opportunity to pay for it and leave and not come back. That way you don't go to jail and there's no other issues. Is that fair?
Yes.
Okay.
Think she got the money to pay for it? Sounds pretty smooth though. Not gonna lie. We don't see this a lot. Typically, they don't matter if you got the money or not, they gonna take you to jail. But it seems like Dollar General is being pretty smooth about it. They're going to give you an opportunity to pay for it and just go about your business. Let's see. Let's see.
Oh, these are.
Can I have the purse off your shoulder?
That's not my purse.
It doesn't, I mean,
But this is what I'm paying for.
I got you.
I just don't want my stuff separate. I wanted my stuff separate. That's it.
You were going to pay for it and you peeled off the security tags?
No, those is already off. No, it's not camera.
regardless.
This one.
Yeah.
Because that one was already off.
So regardless, at this point, we did get the call about it. So if you're good with it, we're just going to make sure you don't have anything else that belongs to the store. She's going to afford you an opportunity to pay for it before you leave. And then they're probably just going to not want you to come back, okay? Is that fair?
Yeah.
I feel like that's
Sound like a good deal.
Yeah.
It's a good deal.
No, I was gonna pay for it.
Is that everything that you saw on camera that she took? They're gonna let you go with it.
Yeah.
Or if you just want her to not pay for it and leave it all here and be trespassed, it's totally up to you. This is your manager here.
That's me.
Yep, that's what I'm saying. It's up to you. If you want to give it up to the case.
This is not my purse.
But the items in that purse that you were carrying that's on camera.
Yeah, but I don't want this one. I don't want
See, the thing is, they have you on camera for the item into the purse, so it's really
I mean, if
doesn't
you say you were going to
matter.
purchase it, so I don't see what the problem is with not purchasing it now. If you have to purchase it, that's what I'm saying.
I agree.
You said you put it in your purse and you were going to purchase it, so obviously you weren't going to purchase any of it to begin with.
Yeah, you didn't just get it.
So there's this is like
That one didn't even have. This one didn't even have.
You asked off.
Can I get my card from out the car? You do it.
So you came in here without the means to pay for?
No, I do have my stuff in the car.
Okay. I can wait.
Yeah, please, thank you.
After ringing them up.
No.
I'll be waiting.
You don't have money for it. Ma'am, do you got any ID or anything on you while we're...
No, I don't have an ID.
You don't have ID on
I
you?
don't got one. But I did have my cash up.
I got it. It's all good. I'll get it,
And
man.
I was gonna pay for it.
Okay, cool.
What's your first name?
I don't even want to give it out.
Well, at this point you have to. What's your first name?
Can I ask my auntie
I thought that
something?
was a highlighter for a second. You
No.
good, though?
Can I ask my TT for a second? Because I done left my cash app card at the house.
No. No, do what you got to do to...
So what is your plan? You got that money.
I know my cash app card is at her house.
Okay, well, you can wait here while they go grab it.
You can't smoke it in there.
She just told you can't smoke that in here. You can't go with her.
I'm gonna call. If it's not on the mattress, then I'm not coming back.
So what's the plans for them to grab your card and come back?
This is bullshit. I wouldn't be doing all of that. Now, come on. You don't have nothing on you to pay for it? Listen, I don't got time to sit here all day and wait for them to put their stuff in the car, drive to where they gotta drive through to find your card, then drive back. No, she clearly wasn't gonna pay for it.
If you can't pay for it, you can tell them that, and they will trespass you, and you will not be back.
Well, if she can't find my cash out card, I thought I had it because I had it in my cigarette pack.
Okay.
So I'll just tell her. If she press charges, then
You're trespass either way. You can't come back to the Dollar
that's
General.
fine. So I'm just gonna tell her my cash out card is at her house. And I dropped it. But I did have it because I had to change. I had all my money in my card. CP. Hold on, here. I was just gonna let her know.
You want me to explain that you're going to be to her that you don't have the funds to pay for this, and that you're not going to come back, and then they'll probably put the items back on the shelf.
Yes, please.
Come with me.
I did.
We're not playing the lying game anymore. We're going to tell them that we don't have the funds for this. Yeah. She has no. She's not going to have the funds for it. I think best case scenario, we trust. I do, yeah. Oh, I didn't even think about that. Thank you. I think.
No, dollar signs right down here. Right down here, reverse style, baby.
Okay. Sorry, my handwriting's garbage.
No.
I think best case scenario is we trespass, and because she's not going to have the funds for it.
Unless I can.
Yeah, but if you don't have the funds for it, that means that you were going to steal it. So if that's the case, that's not a part of the deal. The lady said, if you could pay for it, I'm gonna let you slide. But you don't have no money on you, so that means that you were gonna steal it. So I think she should go to jail.
Come back later. Unless I can come back later and pay for it.
Give me a second.
Because I did have my cash out card. Because it was in my cigarette pack. But I did have my cash out card.
You haven't had it with you. You were trying to steal items. It's all on camera. You're very hyperactive right now. You can't smoke in here.
Well, can you step outside with me so I can hit my light?
Wait. You didn't have it the whole time you were in here.
Yes, I did.
No.
No, I didn't. You're right.
You did not. I watched you grab it out of your car.
Huh? I don't know. What are they going to do? Y'all going to take me to jail or what?
Yes.
Okay. Well, can I call? I call my son?
For what?
Because I am on probation. I call my probation officer. I can't come back up here and pay for it, but I gotta go get the money.
You can make your phone call in jail.
I don't have any phone numbers on me.
Well, you had stuff in your purse earlier, so. Well, it was somebody's that you were trying to steal stuff in. Stand here. Hold on. I'm going to search you before you go.
You can search me, sir. Do I look like I have anything on me?
I didn't say that you had anything on you. I have to search you anyways.
Whoa!
Y'all won't even give me a chance to call who I need to call.
I would put your, you could put your shirt on, please.
Can I get in contact with my probation officer?
Put your shirt on.
Well, you said that you needed to chase it.
I did not say I needed to see you naked.
Well, it's hot. It's hot up in here.
I didn't say that. I'm going to...
I don't have anything. I don't got nothing.
You know what? Just because you, oh.
If you're going to put her back there, make sure you take her
Key?
highlighter ring.
Yeah.
Here.
And the key.
That's my house key.
Can you grab his shield? Hold on. He's got his shield back here.
Take a couple steps back, ma'am. About another step
You know
back.
me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
know you?
Yeah, you did.
What was your name again?
Remember my
Where have I
son
met you?
on leaving from the Pearson by
Maybe. I talked to a lot of people.
No, remember I had my
apologize for
son?
not remembering you.
You gave my son a sticker
Maybe?
from the Woodlands over there when you guys came. By the Woodlands.
Sounds kind of familiar.
And you gave me a ride. And y'all escorted me over there to the Pearson.
Okay, give me 1 sec. I'm gonna have to put you in handcuffs.
Okay. Can I go in the front? Because I can't do the back.
It's gotta be in the back. That's just how they do it. Can you turn around for me? Okay. I'll make him loose. Thank you.
Excuse me. When I talk to the neighbor, ouch, you got it on tight.
Okay. Relax.
Ouch.
Relax.
You got it tight. Sorry.
You need to relax.
I am relaxed.
Okay, well, it's apparent to me that if I don't put it on the way I had it, that you were trying to get your wrist out of it. So.
No, I would never do that. I'm not even I'm not nothing. I don't know why
Hey, stop
y'all
moving.
think that we are a threat to society.
I never said that. Nope. That's not me. Go ahead and have a
To
seat.
the lady.
Go ahead and have a seat.
Okay. Can I talk to her?
Who?
The store lady.
No.
Oh, you don't even know she wants
Sit
to
in the car.
Can I please talk
Sit
to
in the
her?
car.
The woman was arrested and charged with retail theft and was banned from that Dollar General property. A Dollar
She got afforded an opportunity that probably 99% of people that get caught for shoplifting do not get afforded that opportunity. And she failed, man. Failed the mission. Does not have the money. Making up excuses. Cash app, this, that. I got it in the car. Oh, now it's at home. Oh, well, my aunt, she gonna have to put her things away, drive home, find it, come back. Like, come on. No. You in there and you up to no good. That's why you had the sunglasses on and all of that stuff.